Hello mga kaberks, I've got another one here. It's not my birthday, but it feels like my birthday.
Use something na ano mo.
Ooh, what's in here is a mystery box from Amazon.
Big box and a small content inside.
Ooh.
What's a dildo? Oh.
I have a Samsung A12.
And
I'm not excited for this, but I'm so excited for this one.
that one is a vibrating dildo.
Oh, look at the packaging. It was really good. I don't want to break my box. Just gonna grab some.
That dildo can straighten up your pubic hair.
What do you mean dildo? This is not dildo.
Dildo. Now it's
It's
hair
my
straightener.
There you go. Ooh, look at that. Review from this one is very good, and I think it's 3,000 buyers bought this brand GHD. Oops, I think there's a scratch already. See, it's nice. It's really good. Let's try it on. Let's plug it in and see if it's working.
Is it?
On. Ooh, it is.
Let's see what it looks like. Yes.
And it's really good plating.
So what's that? Ceramic
plate. It's working, so turn it up.
So where's the on and off button?
On and off button is in there. See? Oh, it's hot already. There you go, on and off button. It's really nice. So I'm happy because I already have a bag for that.
It's expensive for just hair straightener.
I have my bag for that.
The hell? Oh yeah, GHD.
It is for my bag. There you
I
go.
can't believe for just for hair straightener it costs what 100 pounds.
This is a cheap one, a cheap version of GHD. It's only £100. The other one,
Only 100 pounds.
yeah, only
I'm talking about only 100 pounds.
It's a
A
cheap one.
millionaire.
The other one that I really like is more than like 250.
Oh,
Look at that.
good. Nice.
I have this box here. I'm gonna keep the box.
Nice.